Greetings. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the advanced features of Google Docs. Let's get started. First thing you do is go into Google Drive, which is just type in Google Drive and you'll find it easily enough. Of course, you have to have a Google account to use Google Drive. And then right here, this button that says New, just click on that. And here you have some options. You can create a new folder. You can do a new file upload. You can upload an entire folder full of files from your computer. You can use Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. We're going to use Google Docs, so we'll go here. And we're going to create a blank document using Google Docs. Here it's an untitled document. And we'll just call it a Google Docs tutorial. You use Google Docs much like you would use, Word or any other word processing software. You can select various texts and sizes and stuff like that from here. You get a choice of fonts. Let's just go ahead and do this, and we'll make that big so everyone can see it. This is a Google Docs tutorial, and there you go. It automatically names the document for you if you just click in that field up there. And first thing I want to show you is over here in the File menu. If you just click on File and go down, it gives you some options right away. You can share it, download it as a PDF or in any other, other formats. You can send it as an email attachment. You can rename it, you can move it to a folder, you can trash it, you can publish it to the web. So there's a lot you can do just from the File menu. A lot of people don't know that Google Docs also allows you to insert a lot of different things. So you can insert images from your computer and search them from Google Drive. You can search the web for images to insert. You can use Google Photos. You can insert an image by URL, or you can just use your camera to take a picture. That's probably going, if you have your computer set up right, this is going to take you to your webcam. You can insert tables here, the table function, just like in Word. You can insert a table. It's real easy to draw a table. In this field, you just kind of drag over as many fields as you want to the right and as many rows as you want to go down, and you create your spreadsheet like that. If you make a mistake and you need to undo something, just click the back button here and it will undo your last action or several actions, as long as you haven't saved that document. Another great thing in the insert menu is you can insert charts using various data. You can insert a horizontal line, special characters, equations. You can insert a header and page numbers, header and footer, page breaks, just insert a link or comment. You can bookmark it, and you can make this into a table of contents. In the Format menu, you have a lot of options here for formatting your text. Just another way to get to the other, this other menu that you have right here for formatting text. But you can also, change paragraph styles, align and indent. You can set your line spacing in here. You can create columns if you need to, add bullets and numbering. And here's another way to get to your header and footer menu. Also, you can clear all your formatting. Sometimes you get some text in, a document, or you import a Word document here, and the formatting looks all messed up. Well, it's really easy. At that point, what you do is you just highlight all the text and then just go to Format and clear out the formatting, and that just leaves you with just the raw text there. So great thing to know if you're having trouble with formatting and you're importing documents and the formatting doesn't look right. Just remember that. So anyway, so that's some of that other stuff. Now let's get into some really cool stuff here, which is in your Tools menu. And I just think this is awesome. Of course, you can check your spelling here, but you have some options there. You can automatically count the words in your document if you need to do that. You have access to a dictionary here. You can explore. Voice typing. This is just the coolest thing. Just type in voice typing and you're ready to go. Set your cursor where you want it to be. Click on the microphone. If you have it set up, you can just start talking, and Google voice typing will automatically type whatever you say. So this is really great if you're writing a book or something. Might not be perfect. You're going to have to go in and make edits, but this is a really useful tool. Okay, so let's stop the recording, see what we got. As you can see, it didn't pick up everything I said. That's partially due to the fact that I'm using a lot of my system resources to record what I'm doing on my desktop, but you get the idea. And this works pretty good, I have found. Another thing you can do in Tools is you can translate the document. So you just hit Translate and just go ahead and choose your language, what you want to translate it into. Let's just try Armenian. Click Translate, and there you go. There's the Armenian translation of whatever I just said. Of course, don't expect this to be perfect either. It probably will get your point across if you need to. Okay, so let's look at the next thing. Script editor, if you need to, if you know how to write code and you do write code and you publish web pages in code, you can just automatically transform Google Docs into a script editor just by clicking the script editor there. All right, let's close the script editor. We'll go back to our Google Doc and let's look at these. Oh, you can set preferences here. So, much like you can with Word or other formatting stuff, you can automatically have preferences, typing keyboard preferences, things like that. So this is a useful thing. If you've ever been frustrated where you're trying to type the letter C inside brackets like this and it keeps coming out like a copyright symbol, all you need to do is just deselect that and that will solve that problem for you. Okay, and this concludes my review of some of the advanced features of Google Docs. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please be sure to like and subscribe below. I will see you in the next video.